Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Monica and I'm back with another video, as I promised in my last one, with a review for the Givenchy, and this one is the Rouge Interdit Vinyl. It's a lipstick, and then with the Too Faced limited edition for Christmas. This one is the Sweet Smell of Christmas collection. Looks like this, and we have 4 lipsticks. Also, I will have very soon a video with what's new on the market as Christmas limited edition beauty boxes, as skincare, makeup, and what else we can find there, especially at Ulta and Sephora. But if I'll find something nice on other websites, I will leave them in the video. Probably I will have couple videos like that. We'll see, depending what I will find. So let's do the review for those first. And I have a new mirror, and this one is from Kat Von D. It's a cute one. Let's see first the Givenchy, because this one I'm trying to see some is the universal tint. I'm trying to see some information here, but anyway, it's the one that you applied and it changed colors by your skin tone or your pH, whatever does influence that. Looks like this. It's a pretty nice packaging. It came in one of the Sephora boxes, and here is the product. I will swatch this on my hand. And last time, after the video, when I swatched this in the unboxing, it turned into kind of a lavender, a very light lavender color. But let's see how this one will look on my lips, because I tried today another lipstick that change color with your skin tone and whatever, and was doing absolutely nothing on my lips, but on my hand was turning into a very bold red color. So we'll see about this one, and I will apply this one first. So far this is the color for this one. I don't know how well you can see. It's a pretty nice shiny color. I am curious if one of you get this, and if you'll have a video to see how this one turns on your lips. So far looks this way on my lips. Not a favorite color of mine, but pretty nice, and pretty nice as formula also. It's very creamy, and also looks like a lip gloss on top. So it's pretty nice. Now we know how this one works, and let's go ahead and review this kit. And we have 4 shades in this one, and all of them has yummy names. The first one is and smells like, all of them smells like pumpkin spice, sugar cookie, cinnamon bear, and hot buttered rum. So is this one. Let's see the first one in here. The kit looks like this, which is very cute. And let's remove this Givenchy. I like it. It's okay. Let me know what do you think about this shade, this color. Let's start with the first one, which is Melted Matte, and this one is in the pumpkin spice. Here is the shade of this one. I'll swatch this one on my hand. Here is the color of this one, and let's see how this one looks. So here is the shade of the pumpkin spice, and it smells like that, like a pumpkin pie. So here is this shade. I don't think I was ever wearing this shade. It is okay, but not a favorite shade for me, a favorite color as a lipstick. It's that type of product that dries. Even if you wanna move your lips, it just doesn't work. So I suggest to use a lip balm before. Although it doesn't look dry on lips, maybe just a little bit, I will use a lip balm before. So let's go ahead and see the second one. And this time I will go with a lip balm, and I'm using the Pour lip balm that came in one of the kits that I reviewed on my channel, and smells pretty nice also. So let's see the second one, which is Sugar Cookie. Here is the shade of this one. This is more like a nude color. So here is the shade for the Sugar Cookie one, a very light color, I would say, a very natural color. I think I like this one a little bit better than the first one, but so far the shades are not on my list. And also the packaging looks pretty nice. I don't know if I showed you. Here is the pumpkin spice. Here is the Sugar Cookie. And let's see the next one. And it does work way better, way better if you use the lip balm before. And the next one is, let me just use the lip balm. The next one is Cinnamon Beer, and here is the shade of this one. And I'll show you the packaging. So here is the third shade, and here is the packaging for this one. Let's see what this one does. Here is the shade of this one. So far I do like this one, although it's a bold color. And this one is a color that I would, applying this one, I would use a lip liner, because this is not, of course I spread it. This is not an easy color to wear. If you don't apply this one perfectly, you're gonna be able to see the margins of your lips. So that's why I recommend for this color to use a lip liner, which I will when I will be wearing this one. So far I like the color. From the three of them, I think I like this one the most. So let's see the last one. Also, as you can see, this is a color that spreads around very easy. So if you remove this one, you're gonna remove your foundation also. And the last one, which is called Hot Bath Red Rum, whatever you pronounce the drink. Here is the packaging for this one, and here is the color. No, it's the same one, sorry, I showed you the same one. It's this one right here, and here is the packaging. Pretty cute. Let's see how this one looks. And here is this one. I showed you that one probably because it's the one I like the most. So let's see this one how works, and I'll use the lip balm. And even if I tried hard to remove it, I still have that red. So as I told you, it's not an easy color to wear and to remove. So here is the color for the last one, and this one is the Hot Butter Red Room. I don't know what to say about this one. It's not quite my color, and works even better with a lip balm. So that's kind of all for this kit. Let me know what do you think. So far I like it as packaging. I like the holiday print on them, and I like the kit, the size of the kit. If you are in those colors, you might like this one. For me, I don't see my favorite shades here. From the three of them, from those four, the one that I like the most is the cinnamon bear is this one, the red one, the one which removes so hard. But anyway, and I like the other three also, but not something that I would buy again as colors. So this was the Too Faced the Sweet Smell of Christmas, and of course all of them smells really nice. This was this kit. Let me know what do you think about them. It's not something that I will like to buy again. First, for the formula, because it's a formula that dries, and but if you use a lip balm, you might be fine. Second, in this one there is just one shade color in here that I will like to wear, but as I said before, it's not an easy color to wear. So that's kind of all for this kit. So far I did like the Givenchy one, and let me show you how it looks now on my hand. Here is the shade of the Givenchy on my hand. It was looking a little bit darker on my lips. So as usual, let me know what do you think about the kit. Let me know what do you think about the shades. I would like to see a video for products that I'm buying. It doesn't happen all the time, because sometimes most of the time I'm buying products that are new on the market. But I think it's great to see how they look on somebody with a skin tone similar with yours, or just to hear somebody else's opinion about that product. I think it helps. If it does, let me know. If it doesn't, let me know also. So that's kind of all for this video. I will see you guys very soon with another video. Probably it's gonna be, I'm planning actually to film my empties, my favorites for September. My empties is gonna be a video probably 2 hours long. I will try to make that one as short as possible. And also I'm planning to close my project pen and film that before my empties, because I have left I supposed to close that at the middle of October, but before because I have left just products that are not gonna be finished by that time. I'm closing that now, because I want to start the last one for this year. So that's kind of all. Thank you so much again for watching. Thank you for your support. If you have any other suggestion, let me know in the comments down below. And wish you to have a great next week. See you soon. Bye bye.